in dividing mixed number, so first you have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying 3 times 2 plus 1. So the answer is 7 over 3. And then divided by, so you do the same, 5 times 2 plus 4. So that is 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Copy the denominator over 5. After that, so you copy 7 over 3. And then instead of division, you proceed to multiplication. And then swap the position of 14 over 5. So 14 will go down and 5 will go up. So it will become 5 over 14. And then as you can see, 7 and 14 are divisible by 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. After that, you just directly multiply as you did in multiplication of mixed numbers. So 1 times 5 is 5 over 3 times 2. And after that, so 1 times 5 is 5. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So since that fraction is in lowest term, so that is the answer. 5 over 6 when you divide 2 and 1/3 by 2 and 4 over 5.